Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick video. This week's Quick Pick is Verizon. Now, Verizon recently reported earnings, and the stock is up on earnings. Even though the earnings weren't a whole lot better than expected, but the worry about Verizon is underneath the earnings, and there's been some really good news. Okay, so Verizon reported adjusted earnings of $1.21 a share for the second quarter. Analysts were expecting $1.17, so 4-cent beat. 121 is down from last year's earnings in this quarter, which was 131. So you can look at this and go, oh, not a whole lot of growth here. Revenue was actually down year over year to $32.6 billion from $33.79 billion. Okay, but the really important thing is the company actually gained 8,000 postpaid subscribers. These are, you don't pay in advance like you do with a prepaid phone. This is the postpaid, the normal category. 8,000 doesn't sound like a whole lot, but analysts were expecting the company was going to report another loss of subscribers of 9,000. The real worry about Verizon has been that with competitors sort of yipping at its heels, mostly T-Mobile, that they're going to continue to bleed subscribers. The fact that there's a positive subscriber number of any dimension is really important. This is a great dividend stock, and the worry was that they weren't going to be able to support the dividend because, hey, if you continue to bleed subscribers, at some point the dividend becomes unsustainable. Right now, this stock pays 7.68%, a huge dividend because of those worries. I own it in the dividend portfolio on my free site and on my paid site. I think that dividend is safe and is very attractive at this point. So as long as you continue to see positive growth and revenue that's not collapsing, even if it's not necessarily growing, I think this is a great dividend play at this point. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notifications when we do our next one. We're doing about 3 a week, not always on the same day. Jubak Picks is my free site that's got 3 portfolios, including the dividend portfolio. Jubak AM has got 6 portfolios, including the dividend portfolio, and that's my paid site. You can find links to those down below. Thanks very much for watching.